Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Carnosine-500, 60 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. A powerful antioxidant to support cellular function. Vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free premium dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion. Carnosine is a dipeptide found in high concentrations in the brain and a source of amino acids which promotes the maintenance of muscle protein synthesis. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule a day without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, if you're taking any medication or for use beyond 8 weeks. Keep out of the reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.